We are gathered here tonight to celebrate beauty, grace, and empowerment as we showcase the beautiful journey of our super talented contestants. So let's hear it for all our contestants back there.
We can do with little bit more energy. One more time. There we go.
I am Meeta Ramchandani, and with me I have the gorgeous Divya Mowar. We are your hosts for tonight. Divya is a full-time Googler and a crowned queen of Mrs. Bharat Elite USA 2021. She also serves as the senior vice president of My Dream California pageant. She has worked as a showstopper for many international and Bollywood designers like Rohit Verma and Kirti Rathod. She has a passion for fashion. So give it up for Divya.
Thank you, everyone. And with me, I have gorgeous Meeta Ramchandani. And if you don't know Meeta, my dream name is incomplete, so I'm sure all of you are very familiar with her. She is CEO of Meeta Productions, and she has her own design line called Meeta Designs. She owns a chain of jewelry store, and she's also recipient of many awards like Bharat Global Icon of the Year, Highest Women Empowerment Award. She's also a winner of Business Entrepreneur of the Year, and she has done many shows with amazing celebrities like Anupam Kher, Manara Chopra, Malaika Sherawat, Bhagyashree, and many more. She is also my Dream Queen of the Year 2022. So let's give it up for Meeta Ramchandani.
Thank you, Divya, for the lovely introduction.
Thanks, Meeta. And today we all have gathered here for our Miss Bharat USA 2025. We all are eager to see who gets the next crown. And we would like to thank My Dream TV, without which none of us would have been here. So in the dynamic realm of empowerment, My Dream TV USA is not merely a brand, but a transformative movement. Founded by visionary mind Rashmi Bedi and Janak Bedi. Rashmi Bedi is a face of My Dream TV USA who epitomizes a journey from a pageant queen to an industry leader. Janak Bedi is a strategic leader and stays at the forefront of technology. And let's not forget Surya Bedi, the president of My Dream, who has been, since he joined hand with My Dream, we have been making many more announcements of the pageant. So with that, can we please have Rashmi Bedi, Janak Bedi, Surya Bedi, and Arjun Bedi on stage, please. Let's give it up for the My Dream family, Bedi family. And we all know that My Dream TV has opened doors for many people. This is the platform which is open for all shape and sizes. And there's our beautiful Rashmi ji. Welcome. Rashmi ji, would you like to say a few words?
Hello everyone, and hi New Jersey. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really feel without support of all of you, we are incomplete. So thank you everyone who has been here. And last week we had our Mrs. Universe USA 2025, and I'm so happy to have my queens here with us today. And last week they were on the stage, and today they are judging. That's what their journey is all about. So thank you so much, and I'm so proud of my queens. This platform is to start your journey. Long way to go. We give you wings and you fly. That's what makes us happy. Thank you so much, and we have beautiful hosts Divya and Meeta here with us. And we are ready to rock the show, and let's see who will be crowned Miss Bharat USA 2024. Thank you, everyone.
And before we give the mic to Surya Bedi, I would like to say a few words about him. That this last year, Surya has changed the look of My Dream. Don't you guys agree? His hard work and dedication to make this brand, Surya, we are so proud of you. So definitely, what's your vision about My Dream Entertainment for the next couple of years? What's your vision?
Well, I would say, of course, thank you so much for those words. That's so nice of you. And thank you to everyone for being here. I know it's Sunday football, so thank you so much for taking out the time every day. But I would say for the next upcoming years, the goal is for this to be a cross-platform where people are able to get opportunities internationally in the US, depending on what your goals are, depending on where you want to be. But I would say that's all up to Dad. We have to focus on him, getting him to the right place. But I would say in the next upcoming years, you'll be seeing a lot of changes, a lot of innovation, and I would say the next step is right around here. So I'm looking forward to having everyone there, and hopefully everyone's a part of it. And thank you for being here.
Thank you, Surya. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Oh, and of course, last thing, the most important, the winner for the Miss and the winner for the Mrs. or Mrs. Elite will be deciding at the end, but they'll be going to India to represent US in Miss South Asia Universe and Mrs. South Asia Universe. So look forward to the opportunity, give it your best shot, and I think the best one here will take the trophy for today. Thank you.
And thanks to Meeta for sponsoring Diamond. What is the special thing today
Okay,
for
so
our teen contestant?
We have a big announcement. Our winner for teen category tonight will receive a diamond ring from Meeta Collection.
And of course, for Miss and Mrs., we will be sponsoring their ticket and stay. So let's see who will be going to India for representing Miss South Asia Universe 2024. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much. As we all know that an event of this stature is not possible without the generous support of all our sponsors. So a big shout out and thank you from the entire team to all our sponsors for supporting. We have Suhag Jewelers, who's our title sponsor for tonight. Masato Events, our platinum sponsor. Gift of Life USA Inc. Zizek DJ Glady. Haveli Punjab Di, Nirvana Adult Daycare, Vilux Roses, Meeta Collections, Mulberry Colors, and Paroma Alamon. So give it up for all our sponsors tonight.
Amazing, thanks Meeta. And with that, we can also move. So our contestants have worked hard. They have been preparing for months to put up this show, but I know who has the most difficult job today. I would like to welcome all our judges. I know it's going to be super tough for all of you to judge our beautiful ladies and gentlemen and our little kiddos. And I really appreciate all your time that you're here, and all the crowns are kind of blinding me on the stage right now, but congratulations to all the recent winners. And with that, let's give a quick introduction of our judges, Meeta. So I have judges, as we announce your introduction, please please stand or wave to the audience so they will know who you are. First, in no particular order, we have Dr. Neela. She's a Dr. World Latina for Dr. World Production. Thank you so much, Dr. Neela, for being here. Next, we have Jeenal Trivedi. Jeenal Trivedi is a professional pharmacist and also a designer for clothing brand. She has achieved Mrs. Universe 2025 top 5, and she is also Mrs. Washington, D.C. Universe 2025, and also New York Fashion Week Mrs. Top Model first runner-up. Wow, Jeenal, so many achievements. Thank you so much for being here.
Next, we have Sudipta Patti, the proud winner of Mrs. New Jersey Universe 2025, a certified nutritionist and board-certified holistic health practitioner. She has transformed the lives of over 5,000 women from 25 countries, empowering them to achieve lasting health and confidence. Give it up for Sudipta. Next, we have Shraddha Khare, Miss MSNJ Universe, MS Universe Elite USA 2025. Shraddha Khare is a single mother, real estate agent, and DJ, an award-winning entrepreneur. Give it up for the gorgeous Shraddha.
Let's move to Uttara. Uttara It is with great pride and admiration that we want to honor Uttara Prabhu as Women of the Year. A true trailblazer, she embodies the essence of dedication, resilience, and empowerment across multiple fields. Welcome, Uttara. Thank you for being here. Then we have Manisha Chawla. Manisha is a dedicated family woman, teacher, friend, and patriot. She's a passionate woman who values commitment, discipline, and high integrity in every dimension of her life. So let's welcome Manisha as well.
Next, we have Dr. Parinda Parekh. Dr. Parinda is a double board certified physician specializing in child, adolescent, and adult psychiatry. She is known for her philanthropic work in the South Asian community centers. She sits on the board of 914 Cares and NYU Parent Executive Council. Give it up for Dr. Parinda. Next, we have Nadia Newbird. Nadia is the reigning World Mrs. Tourism 2025, which she won in Nashville, Tennessee in July of 2024. She's also Mrs. South Asia International, Mrs. Caribbean American 2024, and Mrs. Bollywood USA 2017. Give it up for Nadia.
And let's move to our next two judges who are very, very well known in my dream family. I would like to welcome Raj Gupta ji. He's engineering in electronics and computer science, master's in computer science and MBA from Harvard University, vice president for New England Miss Bharat, and CEO of Balaji Bollywood Entertainment. He's very actively involved in community service, organizing beauty pageants, Bollywood shows, fundraising events, promoting Indian culture and heritage in USA. We are very, very thankful to you, Raji. Thank you so much. And next, I would like to introduce beautiful Dr. Raju Singla. She's a board certified in internal medicine on hospital medicine, director for the hospitalist division of St. Anne's Hospital for 20 years, successfully running primary care practice for 20 years, state director of New England and Miss Bharat, and director of Balaji Bollywood Entertainment. She is also very actively involved in promoting women empowerment and mental health awareness with organizations like NAMI. Thank you so much, Rajuji.
Next, we have Alicia Bhattacharjee, an IT professional. She loves to travel around the world. Singing, hiking, and camping are her hobbies, and she loves to empower other women. So give it up for Alicia. Our next judge is Purnima Vasireddy. She's a dynamic figure blending her passions for Bollywood, Kuchipudi dance, and modeling to create a platform for positive change. She leverages her Instagram influence to raise awareness about climate change and women's empowerment. Give it up for Purnima.
Next, we have Dr. Gayatri Rao. She's a research physician, Mrs. Universe Washington, D.C., Director of Miss Universe South Asia for State of Telangana, and she's also a New York fashion designer. Let's welcome Gayatri Rao. And next we have Shravani Ankatha. Shravani Ankatha, the esteemed winner of Miss Bharat USA and Miss Bharat North Carolina, South Carolina 2023. She proudly holds the title of reigning queen, an engineer by profession, talented Bharatnatyam and Bollywood dancer, along with being a classical singer. Wow, Shravani, thank you so much for being here.
Our next judge is Kirutiga Nadaraja. She's a software technical lead consultant, public speaker, pageant judge, and personal growth influencer. A proud title holder of Mrs. New England Universe 2024 Curvy and runner-up in Mrs. Universe USA Curvy 2024. Give it up for Kirutiga. Next, we have Pooja Karare, Mrs. New York Universe 2024 and MS Universe USA 2025, first runner-up. She's an IT professional in a prestigious bank in New York and pursues passion in the fashion industry. Give it up for Pooja.
Next, let's move to Deepti Kulshresht. Deepti is a creative soul who started her journey as a fashion designer in India. She has this entrepreneurial streak with knack of expression through Indian fusion clothing. She brings years of experience in garment design and development. Deepti loves to style fashionistas and help them wear the selection of outfits. Let's welcome Deepti. Woohoo! Next, we have Navyata Sarkar. She's a proud mother of two incredible boys who inspires her every day to dream big and lead with purpose. A passionate technologist by profession, she balances her dynamic career with love for music, dance, and competitive tennis. Beyond her professional and personal outfits, let's welcome Miss Navyata Sarkar.
Our next judge is Akshita Sahani, the newly crowned Mrs. Universe California 2024. She's a dynamic force who wears many hats with grace. As the founder of Ruka, an Ayurvedic skincare brand, and driven by a passion for empowerment, she continues to inspire others through her advocacy, business, and leadership. Give it up for Akshita.
Let's welcome our next judge, Divya Frank. She's a passionate model, Mrs. Universe New Jersey 2024 and Mrs. Bharat New Jersey 2022. She has showcased her talent, grace, and determination on prestigious platforms. In addition to her accomplishments, she serves as the state director of Miss Bharat New Jersey and New York pageants. Let's welcome Divya. Next beautiful judge is Yukti Goyal. Dr. Yukti Goyal Padnis is a dedicated and experienced cosmetic dentist with a passion for providing high-quality dental care to her patients. She's a proud winner of Miss Universe USA 2025, Queen of the Universe 2025, and Miss Bharat Connecticut 2025. Let's welcome Yukti.
Our next judge is Alisha Verma. She is Miss Teen Bharat New Jersey 2022, an active member of the Teen Advisory Committee of her town and involved in many charitable organizations which work together for kids' hunger, poverty, and cultural activities. She has shared stages with Bollywood movie stars, many of them. So give it up for Alisha Verma. Next, we have Suruchi Kale. She's the proud holder of the title Mrs. New Jersey Petite Universe and second runner-up at Universe USA 2025. As an engineer with an MBA, she serves as a key account recruitment manager. She embraces the value of resilience, empowerment, and grace. Give it up for Suruchi. Our next judge is Priyanka Kuranjekar. Priyanka is the title holder of Mrs. Delaware Universe. As a devoted mother of two wonderful children, she strives to balance family life with her passions. She has a background as an elementary school teacher where she spends several years inspiring young minds and fostering a love for learning. Give it up for Priyanka.
Let's welcome Anusha Chavra. Anusha Chavra is from New York. She's a title holder of Mrs. Universe USA first runner-up and Mrs. Universe New York 2025, aspiring to build women confidence and promote women education. She's also an IT professional. Welcome, Anushka. Welcome, Anushka, sorry. Next we have Shilpa Ajit. Shilpa is a true dynamo, a woman of immense talent and unyielding dedication. Shilpa Ajit, hailing from Long Island, New York, she's vice president in a leading corporate bank, as well as talented classic singer, dancer, model, actor, and choreographer. Let's welcome Shilpa.
Our next judge is Divya Srivastav. Divya is a multifaceted achiever, she holds the prestigious titles of Mrs. Universe USA 2025, third runner-up, Mrs. New Jersey Universe 2025, and Mrs. Bharat New Jersey 2024. A data scientist by profession, she seamlessly blends her passion for modeling and activism to make a meaningful impact. Give it up for Divya. Our next judge is Konjit Muchala. She is our winner of Mrs. Classic New Jersey 2024. Give it up for Konjit.
Let's welcome Sergio Della Vici. He's an American actor who has acted with Priyanka Chopra in Contigo. Welcome, Sergio. Thank you so much for being here.
And the next two judges are our lucky judges because they're going to give their own introduction today. We have Anisha Verma. Is she here? Okay, what about Kanchan Shivraj? Okay, so we would like to introduce yourself.
Thank you, everybody. My name is Kanchi. I work in the banking industry. And a couple of years back, I went into designing. So Rubaru Inc. is my company. And my dreams was the first launch for my company. And I'm very grateful for that. Thank you.
So, did we miss anyone? I hope we didn't miss any judges. Okay, so give it up for our judges tonight. Our beautiful, gorgeous judge here, please, can we have you? So everybody can listen to you and see you.
Hello, my name is Aarti Iyer. I'm from Arizona. I'm the State Director of Arizona Miss Bharat USA. And it's a pleasure to be here. I'm the first runners-up of Mrs. Universe Classic 2025. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, everyone.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was